Okay, so here's a video on doing picture um, additions into DBA platform, GMB, command pad, whatever you want to call it. So basically, you would have your photo ready. Um, you would have your keyword at the top of the header in your photo already. So then you would go, you upload the photo. Let's do this one just for an example. I believe this one's already been added. You upload your photo after you have it made in Canva. Then you click the optimized. If you have this in the file name of your Canva, it'll pull this in automatically. So that's the reason why this is pulled in. If not, this will be blank. So then you would put computer screen repair service, kind of the same thing that you have as your main header. And also something else that needs to be mentioned. This needs to be computer screen repair service, needs to be all in one line towards the top instead of being broken up like this. Because Google starts to separate this based on how it's set up. And I've just learned through testing it, if you put computer screen repair like all in one line right here, it works a lot better. Computer screen repair service. But then what you would do is just copy this once you have this figured, once you have this set up, what your keyword's going to be. You would add this here, just paste it into all the sections, and then that's pretty much it. And then you would go here and you would do computer some more keywords. So I'll just do computer repair, PC service, as for an example. And then also sometimes in these um, it's stated in the software that basically you're really not supposed to use the same wording. So you can almost be like picture about computer screen repair service in image description of our computer repair service. User comment would be kind of like a review, the best computer screen repair service. You don't always have to do this though, but sometimes it's good just to kind of alternate this in. And then this is just basically changing 3 keyword streams with a comma in between them. And then you would just scroll down, don't worry about all the rest of this stuff, and hit save. And this pulls in when you watch this right here go. Just wait for it, because it's basically pulling in all these details. All this stuff is being, owner name is all being changed, geo targeting is all being changed, and then hit schedule now, which when you hit schedule now and it didn't go to the box, it didn't actually work. So that's probably where you got confused, because like I was saying, a lot of times you have to go up here and you have to refresh the page after you do an edit, or it's not actually going to be, it's a glitch in the system basically. It's not something you did wrong, you just didn't know that. Then you hit scheduled. Now you go in here and you would schedule your time for when you want this to be. So basically, pick your time, and then this is computers repair, so we go computer repair, and make sure this has a number here, because sometimes this will even lag on me, and if you have slow internet, it's probably going to do that even more. If you put in one of these and this says scheduled 0, it hasn't actually pulled it in yet, so you got to kind of give it a minute and then put this in, make sure it has a number here, then hit scheduled, schedule it, and that's it. Success. Done. That's done for the picture. And then what you would do you can use the same picture for your post. So then you would, as long as this pulls up, you can do your post kind of using the same file that you just made. So let's say that's the file you just made. And then here you would make your article. And then you would also like computer repair service. You could just leave it be that as your header. And then put your article here. And then you could do, you know, tag computer repair, PC service, laptop repair. You know, I usually do these at the bottom because I don't know why, but that just seems to work best. You'll have your header, you'll have your article talking about computer repair service. You want to do about 300 words, and then you'll have your tags at the bottom. And then you could also go in here. So this is one way to do it, just with this, and then another way would be in, you could do placeholder, location city, add, and then this right here is a placeholder, which means that it's basically pulling in data. This location city will pull in any of these placeholders right here, will pull in the client's information, so you don't have to go and look and find that. And you could even go in here and switch it up. You can put location name and then go right here. That pulls in the location name. Then you can go here, location full address, put that in. So that'll show their address. Location, state, city, you know, basically all those things mixed and matched in here. I would probably, you could even do computer repair service location name. You could do that. You could do best computer repair service in location name, location city, and then have the location name. It's just basically an easy way to mix and match what the keywords are. And then right here you can either do learn more or call now. That's usually the ones I stick with. So we will do learn more on this one. Don't worry about all this stuff down here. Don't worry about that. That's automated. Don't have to fix any of it. Hit save. Now you can try to schedule now. As long as it pops up the schedule box, then it's good. If not, you have to refresh and then do it the same way with pics. So then you would go in here, schedule it for some sort of time. And I try to spread these out because you don't want to do them all in the same pocket of time because it'll be too much and Google will end up blocking the post. So you want to spread them out like within a few hours. Like you don't want them all in the same time. If you did one at 8 a.m., you want to do the next one at 10 or 11 or 1 p.m. or the next day or the next day. You don't want to do a bunch all in the same day, all at the same time. Then you would put computer repair on this one, kind of the same way you did with the pics. This is going to the same businesses because it's the same tag, but this is a post instead of a picture only. Your picture and your post both have to be done, but they have to be done separately. And this picture is being put into the post. I'll actually show you what it looks like. So you hit success and then, you know, wait a little while, but I'll show you kind of if it's pulling this in. Actually, I scheduled that, so never mind. But basically, your pictures are going right here. So I don't think you need to try to get some of these pictures done because they haven't been done in like 2 or 3 days. But it is what it is. I mean, it's just there's going to be a day or two every once in a while that we won't have anything, but I'll try to get something every day. So the picture will go right here, and then on post, you know, they go right here. This one's one I did. So the picture in the post and the post that you do will go here on post, and that basically they show up at different spots on Google. For when people are searching, they put this in different spots. So these are some of the posts we've done. Fortunately, we've done that one twice. But these are kind of some of the ideas that you can get. And you could even do some of these. Um, you can't put phone numbers in the post, so don't do that. Everything else can go in here. And you can even do, if you know how to do these little emoticons, you can do those in there. I didn't do that pic, that's somebody else. That's kind of cool. But these are more like mine, just basic. So mobile phone repair service near me in Georgetown, yada yada. Kind of short and sweet on this one for the article. Sometimes it's okay, but really need to be like full article style stuff like these. This one has 3 paragraphs. And then this, so you have 8 views on this one. It shows me the views. So that's basically it.